Sterling, you're clear here. If you need to move, we haven't unloaded yet.
Sit back here. We're already unloading the caboose.
Okay, we're good then.
That's really cool. That's the good one right there.
Just the horn. You want to blow it? Hang on, let me tell him. George and John and Rob disregard the horn signal.
Okay, copy that.
Cool.
We clear to unload.
You are clear to unload. The train is secure.
Conductor copy.
Kid, did you see that? That was I blowed the horn. Thanks, man.
You can do it again. Do it again. If you want to hear the video or
You want to blow it? Come here, blow it. Come on. Come blow it. You can do it. Okay. That's so cool.
it has a if there's a real small, if you don't put much air, you can get one of the horns to blow, just one.
All right.
But you can hear the vibration from the
Yeah.
seat. So.
That's really neat.
So, you know, I mean, this is the
That's
train brake. This is the engine brake.
Engine brake.
Yeah. This is the forward reverser.
And that
This is
makes
the throttle.
it go faster.
And this is like, this thing has dynamic brake, so you can actually use, instead of using air to control the speed, you can use a dynamic brake, which actually pulls the RPMs off the engine and stretches it out and holds back. So you can use that. We don't use dynamic brake because you have to really be above 20 mile an hour for it to really work well.
Yeah.
And we only run 15 mile an hour here on the property, so.
Wow. That is so wicked. Is this the radio they would have used?
Yep, that's the radio.
Wow,
So,
that's
I mean, you
really
have the
cool.
handset here and you have the button here. So
Yeah.
I pick the handset up most of the time just because it seems like when you push this, it sounds like you're in a barrel. That's very clear to the guys in the back. Yeah.
Well, man, I appreciate you letting us ride.
You're quite welcome.
This man did a fine job.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
Come up here when we run the F unit and ride it too. It's just different.